Question reaction. 2A plus 3B gives product P. Rate law is given. Rate equals K into concentration of A square into concentration of B cube. Part 1. Find the order of reaction. Children, first remember the most important truth of chemical kinetics. Order of reaction always comes from the rate law, not from the chemical equation. Why? Because order is decided experimentally in the laboratory, while the equation only shows the ratio of molecules. So, we look only at the powers in the rate law. Power of A is 2. Power of B is 3. Total order n equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. Hence, this reaction is a fifth order reaction. Also remember, order can be 0, whole number, or even fraction because it is experimental. Part 2. If concentration of A becomes double, what happens to rate? First, we write, let old rate equals R. Old rate R equals K into A square into B cube. Now concentration of A becomes double, that means A becomes 2A. Here we use the golden rule. If concentration becomes M times, rate becomes M power N times, where N is the power in rate law. Since power of A is 2, new rate equals K into 2A square into B cube. 2A square means 2 square into A square equals 4A square. So, new rate equals 4Ka square B cube. But Ka square B cube is old rate R. So, new rate equals 4R. Hence, rate becomes 4 times the old rate. Next question reaction. 4P plus Q gives product. Given, order with respect to P is 2, order with respect to Q is 1. Part 1. Write rate law and find overall order. Rate law is written using given orders. Rate equals K into P square into Q. Total order N equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. Hence, this is a third order reaction. Part 2. P is halved and Q is doubled. What happens to rate? First write, let old rate equals R equals K into P square into Q. Now, P becomes P by 2. Q becomes 2Q. Put into rate law, new rate equals K into P by 2 square into 2Q. Now understand carefully, P by 2 square means P square by 2 square equals P square by 4, so, new rate equals K into P square by 4 into 2Q. New rate equals K into P square into Q into 2 by 4. New rate equals 1 by 2 Kp square Q. But Kp square Q is R. So, new rate equals R by 2, hence, the rate becomes half of the old rate. Final golden points for students. Order is always from rate law, never from equation. Order is experimental, so it can be 0, fraction, or whole number. If concentration becomes M times, rate becomes M power N times. Always assume, let old rate equals R. Always end with, hence statement for full marks.